Apple Mac is a premium desktop PC lineup that always ships with a gorgeous HD monitor. The iPhone maker is trying to infuse more functionality into these large displays, especially when the PC isn't being used. Apple is reportedly working on a new monitor, which could succeed the Apple Studio display those ships with Mac PCs. The new breed of large-screen displays would be able to function independently of the Apple-branded computers as a smart display. Apple Mac desktop screen with custom A-series SoC. The current Apple Studio display would soon be succeeded by the next generation of smart display monitors. It will reportedly have a custom Apple silicon chip, similar to the Studio display, but with more functionality. Apple currently sells the Studio display, which has the A13 chipset. However, the purpose of A13 on the Studio display is limited to its camera and speaker system, powering features such as center stage and spatial audio. The as-yet unconfirmed iteration of the A-series chip inside the new monitor would allow it to work independently of the Mac PC. In other words, the next generation of Studio display could function as a smart display even when the PC is not in use. Apple is rumored to be working on a 27-inch mini-LED display and a successor to the expensive Apple Pro Display XDR. These displays are believed to have the ability to call for Siri without relying on the attached computer. How will Apple Studio display function as a smart display? The smart display feature seems to be similar to the standby function, which would ship with iOS 17 later this year. With standby activated, iPhones can act as smart displays when they are plugged in and turned horizontally. The standby feature can display schedules as well as live updates on important events, delivery status, sports scores, and much more. Users can easily edit widgets for the standby feature. Apple also allows the use of a smart stack. Apple is expected to ensure the smart display feature for the Apple Studio monitors offers hands-free usage of Siri, just like the current generation of HomePod smart assistant hardware. Users would be able to request Siri to play music and receive visual feedback on their iPhones when asking questions. Apple was rumored to be working on enabling the smart display feature for the iPad tablets. The new feature would automatically activate when an iPad would be placed in a magnetic charging dock. This would have been similar to the Google Pixel tablet dock. However, Apple hasn't made any announcement yet.